Here's why you should not throw away lemon peels. You have certainly already heard about all the amazing benefits that lemons can offer to our health. Lemons are always present in the recipes on their channel, and many times it also shows up as a natural medicine for different kinds of treatments. And that's what we're going to talk about in today's video. Did you know you can make a tea with lemon peels? Lemons have many substances that are beneficial to health, such as vitamin C, potassium, and folic acid. The peel is one of the main sources of nutrients of the fruit, but many people don't know that and end up discarding the peels. Did you know that in the peel you can find elements that can control anxiety and reduce the risk of cancer? It is all thanks to limonene. Limonene has a soothing effect. This contributes to the feeling of tranquility and comfort, making the lemon a great ally for those who suffer from anxiety. Besides that, the lemon peel tea also reduces liver fat. The limonene found in lemon peels can also help avoid the buildup of fat in the liver. Did you know that? It helps metabolize enzymes and minerals, helping reduce inflammation and congestion in organ. Reduces gas. When you have gas and bloating, lemon peel tea can help. You just drink a cup of this tea and it will immediately stop the bloating. Contributes to heart health. The peel of a lemon contains polyphenols and flavonoids that aid in the reduction of bad cholesterol levels, which, in turn, helps with heart health. Besides that, the potassium which is also found in the peel helps to keep the blood pressure levels stable. And vitamin C avoids the clogging of blood vessels, reducing the risk of heart diseases and strokes. Besides these benefits, the tea made of lemon peels also aids in digestion, reduces bad breath caused by bad digestion, detoxifies the body and avoids fluid retention, contributes to a good metabolism, improves the immune system, prevents colds and flu and many other things. Are you enjoying this video? Then what about giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends? Learn now how to make a lemon peel tea to get all these benefits. To make this tea, you can't let the lemon peel boil. Pre-boil the water, let it get warm, almost hot but do not boil. In a different pan, put the lemon peels, pour the water over them, cover with a lid, and let it infuse for 3 minutes. After that, you can drink your tea. It is important to note that, since we are making this tea with the peels of a lemon, you should opt for organic, high-quality lemons. If you suffer from gastrointestinal irritation, this tea is not recommended for you since it can cause discomfort. If you try this tea, share your opinions with us. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.